Hello and welcome. Today we will be demonstrating the mini-Ligno MD pin type moisture meter. Your meter comes with a full instructional booklet as well as the species card. It uses a 9-volt battery that is also included. The green top cap covers the pins and can be placed on the bottom of the meter to help while inserting the pins into the wood. The on and off switch between the pins will activate when the pins are inserted into the wood. Let me show you how to measure this piece of wood. First of all, we look at our species chart to see that maple is setting number 3. So we double click the on and off switch to change the species setting. Once we have our desired setting, let the meter turn itself off, and now we are ready to take a measurement. Simply push the pins into the wood. You will see that we are reading 11% moisture in this piece of wood. When the pins are removed from the piece of wood, the meter will shut itself off to conserve battery life. If you have any questions about this meter or any of our other meters, please feel free to call us. Thank you.